everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be reviewing these Snocca reusable press-on nails. Yeah, press-on nails. Isn't that something? I think that's really interesting. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and turn on notifications so you guys can be updated every single time I upload, and follow me on Instagram. I tend to be really active on there, so go and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright you guys, so Snoccanails was kind enough to reach out to me through Instagram and offered to send me a few pairs so that I would review them for you guys. Of course I said yes, because you guys know I'm obsessed with nail stuff. So, and I was really curious about this whole reusable thing. Now, they were extremely generous to me. First of all, they gave me a little cute card and they kind of told me everything about them, and they even gave me some extra adhesive for my nails, and then they also gave me some charms. And sorry, I couldn't find them and I was like, where are they? So these are the charms that they gave me. I hope my camera is focusing on them. Some nail charms, so adorable. It's like a little bow, then like a rhinestone circle with a bunch of like rhinestones. They're so cute. They're adorable. So like I said, Snoccanails was so generous with me. They actually gave me 10 different pairs. 10 different pairs of press-on nails, and I was just so excited when I was opening my package. I actually got my package about a week ago, but I wanted to wait, try them out, and then give you guys my honest review about them. So basically this is kind of the packaging that you get your press-on nails in. My camera's like not focusing. So this is the packaging that you get. It's really cute. I really like the drips and everything. And then the actual box with your press-on nails looks like this. Very fancy. And you go ahead and you open it up. I want to be careful because I don't want to drop them. So you have obviously your first layer. Can't speak. And then you have your extra nails here, you have your tools, and then underneath this plastic you have your adhesive strips, and they're basically in the same shape of your nail, so you just have to size it to your correct nail, apply the adhesive, and then go ahead and press on your nail. Now each of these sets comes with 30 to 42 nails with 12 different sizes, so that you can get the correct size for your own nail. And it also comes with your adhesive all included. Now if you are going to use the adhesive, it's supposed to last about 10 days, but it does kind of depend between person and person. I've had these nails on for 5 days. Today's my 5th day and they look pretty great to me. Now obviously if you want to extend their life, you can go ahead and actually apply glue, and it would, you know, probably last about 18 days. But the kind of idea behind the nails is that you use it with the adhesive tape and then be able to remove them whenever you want and then reuse them, and that is what's so great about them. Now a huge thing to just be aware of is right after you apply them, make sure that you do not get your nails wet for at least 2 hours after application, because that can kind of affect how long they're gonna last. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys all the amazing patterns and designs that they sent me. So here are two. I don't know if you guys can tell. So this is more like a lilac one, and this is a really cool red one with some rhinestone and then some pattern ones. They're so great. And then these are the other two that I got sent right here. These are more of green ones. Green is actually one of my favorite colors to put on my nails. I think it looks really good. These are some black ones and then some white ones here. And I do see that it says Snow here. That is their old home. Now there's called Snocca nails. So if you research them, search them by Snocca nails. So there you have these ones. really cute white ones, some black with studs. Beautiful. And then you get these ones. Obviously these are more like in the nude range, and then this is more of like a mauve shade, which are actually my favorite as well. And funny enough, they actually also sent me some toe press-ons. Yes, you heard me right. Press on for your toes, and they are so adorable. I am so excited to use these. I don't know if you... Oh, this camera is so bright. It just doesn't adjust. Come on. There you go. Aren't those beautiful? They're so gorgeous. I love them. I think they're so cute. I forgot to mention that Snoccanails was kind enough to offer a coupon code for you guys. So if you use Andrea10, you get 10% off your order. You can also use this coupon with any other coupon on the website, which is great. You get some money off. So these are more towards the more like pricier side. They're about, I think last time I checked on the website, they were around $22. But in my head, it kind of totally makes sense, because last time I went to Walgreens, got some press-on nails, they were $10, and those were not reusable, so I had to toss them after like a week. And these are actually reusable. Now the best part, if a nail does fall, you can just go ahead and put it back on with either the adhesive they provide or some glue. I mean, it's truly up to you. And especially right now in the situation that we're at, I'm not gonna go to the nail shop anytime soon for like probably a year. And these are just great because, you know, if you get acrylics and one falls, you know, you can't just put it right back on. It doesn't work like that. And these do work like that. They've lasted a really long time, and they've just been really good. I will say, don't be like really harsh on them. Like, you need to make sure to just kind of, you know, not be like just grabbing anything, you know, just calm down. Kind of like if you were wearing acrylics, you know. So yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much to Snoccanails for gifting me all of these beautiful sets. I'm so excited to wear them. I'm just like, all the rhinestones, they're so cute. And yeah, what else? Nothing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.